Hello and welcome. My name is Dan Burkey and I'm the Associate Dean for Undergraduate Education and Diversity in the School of Engineering at the University of Connecticut. And it's my pleasure to welcome you to the Senior Design and Demonstration Day virtual event for 2020. Each year, our senior undergraduates work with sponsors on a year-long project that aids not only in building their group skills, but helps organizations solve real-world problems. This year, we have over 220 projects and 700 plus students who are working hand in hand with 124 sponsors. These sponsors run the gamut from large to small and include companies as well as government agencies. Some of the sponsors this year include the City of Hartford, the Connecticut Department of Transportation, the Town of Wethersfield, Pratt & Whitney, Electric Boat, and Thayer Mahon. Each of these sponsors has a designated employee that mentors and guides the students throughout the process, giving them valuable access to experience and advice as they navigate tough engineering hurdles. This mentorship also gives companies direct visibility into the talent of our students and a long look at their problem-solving abilities and group dynamics. Because of that opportunity, thousands of our students have received job offers from their company sponsors, and for the ones that haven't, they gain crucial resume builders and helpful references during their job searches. Most importantly, because of the talent of our students, companies often get real results from these projects. For example, one of our groups in 2019 worked with a company called Hubble, a Connecticut-based electronics manufacturer. Their task was to develop an innovative wire termination that could be fast and convenient for electricians installing 15 or 20 amp circuits. For the sponsor, they were merely expecting some simple designs, but when the students presented the product to them at the end of the year, the company was blown away by their ingenuity and creativity. They took the design so much that they hired some of the group members and ended up patenting the design, which they'll be using as a revenue-generating product down the line. Another team in 2018 built a tablet-based hospital communications platform with an interface allowing patients to choose their problem or need from a list or write a custom message to a caregiver. Once completed, that message is sent as a text message directly to the caregiver assigned to that patient, saving valuable triage time for doctors and nurses. Since then, two of the original team members and their faculty advisor have turned that device into a business named UConn, receiving several grants, including one from the Connecticut Bioscience Innovation Fund. Senior Design is an important program for our school, our university, and our state. Because of the skills gained by our students, the job offers received, and the economic value received by our organizational sponsors and the state, this program is setting a precedent that will help cement Connecticut as one of the strongest states for engineering talent in the country. Your support and well wishes mean the world, and we hope to see you as a participant and a supporter for years to come. Thanks very much for joining us today.